$10 ticket here in Run Eclipse. And I got the wheel. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Something good. Give me the mini bonus because that's 16 spins. Oh, 5 free games. All right. Well, I guess you never know. Come on. Oh, that's good. Come on, Wolfies. Give me some more games or howl at me. $13. Not bad. I will take it. I will come back if I get anything else. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. That's a good line hit. Let's see what I got here. Not bad, not bad. Like I said, I put 10 in, so I'm ahead. Let's do some live spins here. This machine seems to be pretty hot. Come on, wolves. I will take that mini bonus. Even that minor bonus or mega bonus would be fantastic, but you know, oh come on. Oh, I saw it go by. Come on, do it. Oh, no. Oh, that's nice. All right. Well, I'm gonna stop it here. If I get anything else, I will come back. So, thank you for watching. Have a great day. All right. A couple spins later, I got this howling bonus thing. This is really good. All right, I'll just stay live here because this machine seems to be pretty active. And every time I turn off the camera, they howl. So let's hope they're not camera shy. Come on, wolfies. Let's get another bonus. I want that mini bonus. There's 16 games on there. Come on. Oh. 2 wheels. Come on, we need 3 of you. And a bunch of wilds. Come on, wolves. Oh, that looked really good. I needed one more wolf on the left. Come on, let's get a bonus. 3 bonus wheels, please. Come on, bonus wheel. Alright, I'm thinking he's kind of camera shy, so I'm going to turn off the camera if I get anything else, I will come back. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Have a great day. All right, I got another howler. Let's go. Ooh, that's a good one. Up to $46. All right, let's see if they're active live. I'll keep trying live. Okay, the miner's moving up to 14. Come on, minor or mini bonus. I'll take either one. Either one. Come on, anything. Oh, I saw it go right by. Come on, you guys. Let's get this bonus. Any bonus. We've got 16 mini games and 14 minor games. All right, I know I can get one of the two. Any of those. I feel like it's more active when I turn off the camera. Oh no, 15 minor. Come on. Give me those minor games. Come on, bonus. Come on, wolves. How? All right, I do better when I'm off camera, so I'm gonna shut it here. If I get anything else, I will be back. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. All right, you guys, I finally got the mini bonus. 19 free spins. 1 wild stack each spin. Let's see what I can get here. Come on. Something. There we go. Big win. All right, this is a great win so far. 9 more games. Let's get another wolf howl in there. 7 more games. Come on. Oh, there we go. All right. 4 more games. Let's do this. Come on, Run Eclipse. Let's go. All right, 3 more games. Come on. 2 more left. yes, let's go. All right, last game. There we go. Oh, that's nice. Nice last game. Thank you, Wolf Eclipse. $59. I'm happy with that. So let's go. You guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. All right, you guys, I cashed out, put 20 in. I'm up to $33.95, and I got the bonus, the wheel bonus. So let's see what I get here. Let's go. Come on, wheel. Shoot, it won't spin. Let's go. Oh, there it goes. Come on, give me the minor. Oh, 5 free games as usual. Come on. I'll take it. All right, let's go. Get something big here. More than 35 cents. All right, I'll take 420. 2 more spins. All right, well, that was kind of a bonus bummer, but hey, it came quick. So thank you for watching. I will come back if I get anything else. Have a great day. All right, you guys, I got the wheel bonus again, so I'm gonna swipe this and hope that I get the minor bonus or the mega bonus. That's what I'm hoping for. Oops. Okay, there it goes. Come on, minor, mega, minor, mega, minor, mega. Oh no, not the free games again. 5 free games? Come on. Give me something good. Let's go, Wolves. Come on, something better than that. Come on. All right, 2 more games. Come on. Last game here. All right, $12, not bad. I will take it. All right, I'm really hoping for the minor bonus or the mega bonus, because there's 101 games in the mega bonus and 19 in the minor. So I will come back if I get anything else. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.